Hey, it's Adam with Tech Dive AV Club. We're in Vegas Image, and this is a fun little tutorial that I wasn't really planning on doing. I'm sick, and I wasn't even planning on filming today, but because of the other surprise video, I have a good idea for a thumbnail, and I just have to show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going to give myself big, sad, crying eyes, which probably isn't too far from the truth of how my eyes look right now. We're going to duplicate this base image right here. So I'm expecting that you've watched my basics video on this already. So we got different layers here. I've got the layer for this, a layer for the Vegas image, a solid black layer so I can match this black layer, move this image around and stuff like that without any problems. And I've just got this image right here and I've duplicated it, so it's still underneath the Vegas image, but it is not, and there's two of them. So I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to make it a lot bigger and like stupid bigger. And then I'm going to give myself a mask and go to area mask, and then you can see it kind of already works a little bit. We can curve it here by grabbing this corner and give it a more curved eye shape and make it smaller. But first I want to line up my nose, so I'm going to click off of this for a second and go back to this and move it around to where it matches my face a little better. That's really creepy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry you had to see that. But let's see. But yeah, so wow. Next thing we're going to do is go back and select this area mask again. Now I can tighten this up more on my individual eye. It still looks creepy, but less so. Actually, I can go back to the image itself and kind of fit it a little less creepily so on my face. And so this, I'm just making my eyes bigger. Let's see, I can even probably make them even bigger. I want to. Yeah, I think like that. And then I'm going to add another mask. Actually, I'm going to duplicate this again. This is a better idea. Duplicate it a third time and then take the third duplication, except I'm going to move the area mask to my other eye and then click off and back on so I can move it back. And now I've got two massive, giant, ugly eyes. And I can make myself sadder. And I'm going to, I guess, add an effect. We're going to go to color riser, or color hue colorize, and we're going to make it a red, more reddish color, which is all the way on the right here probably, and then up the saturation a little bit, and then yeah, there we go. Mess with the lightness a little bit and match my skin a little better. Now it looks like I'm really sad. I can shorten the area mask a little bit more, focus it more on my eye. Probably do the same with this one. Once I'm going to copy that effect, actually grab the exact same hue colorize effect, hit Control C, and then I'm going to go to the layer underneath it, hit Control V, and then I'm going to grab its area mask by just selecting the area mask again and make that smaller. I didn't mean to do any of these tutorials today. They're just good idea. So now I've got giant, sad red eyes, and I can even do a couple of things to make it even more sad. Let's go ahead and add a layer, solid layer, on top of the eyes. We're going to change the color of the layer to a nice cool, like a nice blue, and we're going to go to effects, mask, hit the plus sign, add a brush mask, and we're going to use a scroll wheel, make this brush a lot smaller, and give myself a little crying tears maybe. Let's see. Gotta kind of figure out how I want to artistically approach this. And we can change this to maybe overlay. No, or let's try, let's see, multiply might be a good one. Yeah, I kind of like to multiply on that a little better. We can go back to that brush mask and touch it up a little bit more. Now we kind of know what it's going to look like. So it's supposed to look pretty intense. So I think I achieved my goal here. So I'm just going to add some text. And I've actually got a tutorial about text coming out really soon too. Kind of like that little small eye thing. So that's what I'm going with. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you're out, subscribe if you're looking for more. I'll see you next time.